कौन मारा है? हाँ? ये बांग्लादेश का पुलिस.
A brazen attack on a villagers in southwest Khasi Hills district near the Indo-Bangla border has led to the arrest of 4 Bangladeshi nationals. The incident took place on August 8 when a group of armed men stormed a shop in Rongdangai village, abducting and attempting to murder Balsang A. Sangma. According to police, the attack took place around 3 a.m. when 8 to 9 armed men entered the shop where Marak was sleeping. The gang allegedly threatened Marak at gunpoint, handcuffed him and marched him towards New Rongdangai while planning to slit his throat. Marak managed to escape and flee into a nearby house, but the assailants followed, firing shots and assaulting him, they said. A joint operation by police, border security force and locals led to the arrest of 4 suspects, including 1 caught by villagers and 3 others near Konjoy village. The suspects abandoned weapons, cash, a mobile phone and a Bangladeshi police constable's ID card at the scene. Authorities are now conducting a special joint operation with Meghalaya police to trace the remaining members of the gang. The investigation is ongoing with efforts focused on identifying and apprehending the remaining suspects. News Desk, Hope News.
Oy sengbo, chaani ko apsan tochi jo taitainas kang sengbo. Yan nang ni BNB mangna aruan sini samtang na namja. Anda kapat ko chaani chi dengtang sabis ko manama. Yan da kapat horang ko basa ko di jakal na paltaya, soegala, arunala rango pakegala. Nebadaude, ruko, ya repurpose use cooking oil ni skimo, ya toko biodiesel tari nagta jakalgen. Unigaman sengbo, antang ni BNB mang arunang ni samtang ko name rakibo.